Welcome to Brain's World. On this episode, you're going to learn the untold story of my 1962 Karmann Ghia Elizabeth. Hey guys, this is my 1962 Karmann Ghia convertible project car. She's missing a bunch of things. Some of the body work that someone started was not so good. So I'm definitely gonna have to redo a bunch of things on this one. But you know, she's gonna be beautiful when we're done with her. There's a dash right there. Oh yeah, and it came with a bunch of low-light parts. Crazy. No engine. Boy, is she beautiful. Can't wait to work on this one. Thank you for joining us here on Brain's World. And don't forget to subscribe. You might have a vehicle that I might be looking for. If you think you do, and you're tired of maybe working on your project, or you just might have a vehicle around, send me a call or a text to the number that appears on the screen. Elizabeth retired from being a race car, and now she is comfortable here in Caribou, Maine, where she's gonna be restored.